You can see the new watch I have here, 9,817. That is the new watch. And you remember, it's called top 5 digital skill to have. Can you remember? Do you know that you can now run ads from your TikTok account? Oh yes. Do you know you can grow your following on TikTok? You can get views for people to start watching your video and lots more. Now you can do it from wherever and whatever country, even if you're in Nigeria. Oh yes, and I'll be showing us how to go about it. So the first thing, make sure you have an account, you have signed up, you've done everything, and make sure you have videos like what you're seeing on my screen. I don't know if you have to have a required followers. I don't know about that. But for me, this is mind blowing. You don't need to go to Grow Host to get people to follow you and later on they unfollow you. No, this one, anybody that comes into your TikTok, they know what you do and they want to be part of your community. They are the only ones that will follow you. So they will not end up unfollowing you. No, they are following you because they saw your video and the video gave them value. That is why they followed you. So this is amazing and mind-blowing. How do we go about it? The first thing you ought to do is to look for the video you would like to promote. I just posted this video called Top 5 Digital Skill. Click on it. So when you click on that part that says increase views, it will bring you to this interface. You're going to see promote. So you're going to see choose your goal. All right. You see more video views. You're going to see more followers. You're going to see more profile views. You're to choose what you would like to have. So my own is I would like more followers. If some of you going to a Grow Host that people will follow you and they won't follow you at the end because they want to grow. So that's the trick. But with this method now, you can get genuine people following you for you and for your page and for what you do, which is amazing. And for me, I think TikTok has gotten it right because they have allowed Grow Host to get the money they were supposed to be getting over the years. But now I think they have gotten it right. So the next step, what do? You're going to choose a promotion pack. So we have the one of 1,000, 2,000 and 2,880. See the amount here. When you click on more followers, you're going to see the amount here. More profile views. When you click on it, you're going to see the what you're to pay here, right? So I'm going to be choosing more followers. That's 2,880 naira. Then I'll be going down. You see here where they wrote custom promotion. Okay, you click on it. When you click on custom promotion, you can choose the budget for the day. You can increase it if you want, and you can also reduce it the way you found it. We'll be leaving it at the 2,000 that we found it. Then the next one is duration, 1 day. You can say you want it for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, whatever day. So I will be making it for 3 days. And remember, you're doing this with your coins. Your own is to recharge your TikTok account. Your coins will be the method in which you're going to be paying for your ad, which is amazing. Now you scroll down, you see terms and conditions. You're going to click it that you agree. So let's go to custom. We're going to click on the next one, which is called custom. Now if you click on custom, you're going to see custom audience. So you can choose the one you would like to have. They have all means both female, both male, or you can choose only female. So if your ad is for only women, you click on only women. If your ad is for only men, you click on only men. If your ad is for everybody, you leave it at all, right? Then for age, if you want all, that means 13 to 17 to 55 years can see your ad. But if you want a specific age, you can choose the one. You can choose 18 years, 24 years, whatever. So you can even choose all, the way I see it. So I'll be choosing all, or I'll just leave it at all. So all means it will be from 13 years to 55 years will see my ad and follow my platform. Now, interested in education, vehicles and transportation, baby kits and this to follow you, right? I'll click on education, all right, and I'll click on e-commerce, non-app. So you can click on anyone, or you can just say all. So when you talk about all, so anybody that is interested in baby can follow you. But the issue with this is, if they come and they don't see these things they're interested in, they may unfollow you. But if you click specifically the area of concentration, you may get the right people. I'm going to be choosing education, people that are interested in education, right? And I'm going to be choosing e-commerce, people that are interested in e-commerce. So those are the ones I'll be choosing, and I'll be clicking on save. Okay, now you notice that when I did it that way, you saw that it reduced. If you click on edit and go back, you can click on all. For the first time I'm doing this, I would like to click on all so that everybody can come in, because somebody that is interested in games can also be interested in the kind of things you post. So it can also be a good one for you. So I'm going to be leaving it at all. Then I'll be clicking on save. Now, when I've clicked on save, I'll scroll down. So that means I'll be having, you can see that the custom promotion has increased. You know, it reduced before, but now it has increased to 12,559 people to 27,085 people. So these are the estimated video views. All right. Now, and from this one, of course, you're going to have followers. Okay, so the moment you come here, you choose what you would like, and then you click on start, right? So when you click on start, it will bring you to where you're going to pay your money, and then you can run your ads successfully. Now it's showing me, thanks for your submission. Help us improve by answering a few quick questions. Okay, so I can say sure, I can say no. So I'll just say no for now so that we'll go on with the training. So your order is under review. We will let you know when it's done. So I have requested that I would like to run ads to promote this and to get more followers. So the promotion result will show me each ad cost, the amount. So this is all about running ads through your TikTok. So this is amazing for TikTok. I want to say a very big shout out to TikTok for doing this. And if this really goes well, that means you don't need Grow Host anymore to help you with the growth of your TikTok. You can do it yourself and get so much following. You can also do it yourself and make people watch your video. This is amazing. Big one for TikTok. So after TikTok has approved my ads, let me show you the video. So this is the video here. Top 5 digital skill to have. You can see the new watch I have here. 9,817. That is the new watch. And you remember, it's called top 5 digital skill to have. Can you remember? Now, if I scroll up, you're going to see that I now have 9,117 followers. Oh my God. Then this one here as well is a brand new video. TikTok series training every Friday by 5 p.m. 7,979. Then you can also see this one written 3 ways to grow on TikTok. And you can also see the watch 12,000K. All these were done with TikTok ads. So you have no excuse to tell me you can't grow on TikTok anymore. You don't need to go through any Grow Host to grow your account. If you want followers, if you want people to watch your video, if you want to sell, if you want to do business online, if you want to sell your products, if you want to sell your services, everything you want to do to make money, start using what is called TikTok ads, and your story will change on TikTok forever. So guys, what are you waiting for? Remember, time is currency. Be focused. I'm Alpella, and this is Alpella Academy. And remember to join us every Friday by 5 p.m. for TikTok series. I love you guys. See you next time, and bye for now. Mwah.